My name is Adu, and in this European trip we have a simple mission: trying out the most delicious gluten-free food that we can find. Hello guys, it's the last day in Prague, and today we have to go film at about 7 gluten-free locations. We have to catch a flight tonight, so let's go!
Ahoj, jmenuji se Monika. Vítejte v buchtě. U nás je všechno výhradně bezlepkový, určené pro celiaky. Máme na výběr jak slané, tak sladké. Naše dorty jsou naprosto perfektní. A naše lokalita v Dejvicích je prostě nejlepší.
It always feels surreal for a celiac to find so many gluten-free options in a single place. This mango bomb was absolutely amazing, one of the best pastries that I ever had. You can just see the excitement on my face. I don't think it was the wisest decision to come here the first thing in the morning, because we still had to visit so many other gluten-free places and try out some more food, but everything was really good. I'd highly recommend them. After that we went back to the old city center of Prague to try out Tom's Burger. They have a big variety of burgers that they can serve in a gluten-free bun, so soft and fluffy. Just look at the sauce dripping out of it.
Hello guys, my name is Victor. I'm working here in Tom's Burger. You can come to enjoy. With the gluten-free, we take care of everything. You don't have to worry about the gluten-free. It's 100% sure. We're waiting for you guys. I want to see you here.
C'est que my jsme Avory a Gelato Prague a chtěli bychom vám nabídnout tady skrz aplikaci Gluten-Free, že můžeme i tady u nás nabízet gluten-free výrobky, jako jsou třeba kornoutky nebo zmrzlina. Takže tak se budeme na vás těšit a nezapomeňte se přidat do tu aplikaci Gluten-Free a nás tam najdete.
Best part about filming at all of those locations was the fact that we are also able to visit this beautiful city while doing it. This is the old town square of Prague, and this is the oldest and most significant square in the historic center. This masterpiece is the third oldest astronomical clock in the world, and the oldest one is still in operation. The sticker that you'll find at our riso.
Chci vám představit našu restauraci Pizza Nova, neapolská restaurace s tím, že jsme zaměřeni hlavně na neapolskou pizzu, ale taky děláme neapolské těstoviny, jelikož jsme z neapolské restauraci La Fabrica della Pasta. Všechny pasty se dají udělat, všechny omáčky se dají udělat v bezlepkové variantě, akurát nabízíme pouze penne a spaghetti. Budeme rádi, když k nám zavítáte.
Hi, I'm Kate from Mocna Kawka, and we have a gluten-free menu also.
At this point we are already a little bit tired because we've been running around all day just to get to all of those locations. We came across this franchise called Bagel Lounge. They have multiple locations across the Czech Republic, and their gluten-free menu was quite extensive, and the bagels were tasty and filling. After running to this restaurant, we deserve to have a beer at the third 100% gluten-free location in Prague.
Jsme jediná česká restaurace v Praze, která vaří bezlepkové jídlo. Některá jídla podáváme i bez mléka, laktózy, tak se nás musíte podívat a ochutnat naše česká jídla.
After all the work that we put into getting the application up and running, it was really fulfilling to finally see the stickers being displayed at the entrance of the locations. And the last location of the day was Hard Rock Cafe.
Hey guys, my name is Gauthier and we are at Hard Rock Cafe, and we're waiting for you with a selection of gluten-free dishes, and please come.
Then it was time to head to the airport.
Our European trip has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful gluten-free experience, and we'll see each other in the next one.